Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure Stata is installed and licensed, then open it and set your working directory with cd path to keep files organized. Next, load your dataset using use file name, DTA for native files or import delimited for CSVs, because having the data in memory is required to proceed. Once done, run describe to inspect variables. This tells you types and missing values, so you can plan cleaning and transformations. Now continue the process by preparing and analyzing your data. First, check variable types with describe and summarize so you understand scales and missingness. This informs whether to recode or create factors. Then clean using drop and replace for bad rows, edgen for group summaries, and recode to consolidate categories, because clean data yields valid results. After that, run your analysis. Use regress for OLS, logistic for binary outcomes, or xset followed by xtreg for panel data, making sure to store estimates if you'll compare models. Finish by saving results and ensuring reproducibility. You should save your clean dataset with save file name. DTA, export tables with export delimited, or use stab for regression tables, and keep a do file that documents every command. Also start a log to capture output. Once done, verify results and tidy your workspace. If something goes wrong, check for common issues: mismatched variable names, insufficient memory, or incorrect file paths. Addressing these typically resolves errors and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.